Hey, good morning. I want to teach you a new trick that we just looked at yesterday, and you might hear my dog chewing her bone in the background. So if you hear chewing noises, sorry, it's my dog. Okay, so we're going to look at subtraction for a second. I've got 3 examples, and then you can practice on your own. So I already know right here in the ones place, I've got more on the floor. So when I go next door, nothing's there. It's a 0. Well, I can't borrow from nothing, but I can borrow from 30. So I'm going to take 1 away from 30. That makes it 29. Ooh, so that 1 I can put there to make that a 10. So now I've got 10 minus 4, okay? That's 6. Then I'm going to do 9 minus 5. That's 4. 2 minus 1. 1. So let me show you a couple more. So same thing here. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? Well, there's more on the floor. When I go next door, nothing's there. So I can't borrow from nothing. So I'm going to grab both of these. I can borrow from 80. So 80 take away 1 is 79, right? So I put that 1 there. So that's 15 minus 6. Oh, geez. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. 9. Then I've got 9 minus 6. I know that's 3. Then I've got 7 minus 3. That's 4. Okay, one more. If you want to write this down on your dry erase board, you can pause this and then try to solve it before me or solve it with me. Okay, so same thing. More on the top or more on the floor? More on the floor, go next door. Ooh, nothing's there. So I'm going to borrow from that big 90 because that's something. So it's really 90 tens, by the way, if you wanted to know. I can still grab 10 more. 90 tens take away 1 10. So 90 take away 1 is 89. And that 1 I took away goes there. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then 9, 8, 7. Then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3. So that's the whole idea behind it. I'll go ahead and make you some more that you could just practice by yourself. So you could do 502 minus 187. Okay, there's a problem you can write down. You could do 804 minus 539. Ooh, it's a tough one. Okay, let me make you one more so you can copy these 3 down. So you could do 903 minus 216. Okay, so you can solve these 3 yourself and then check your work using a calculator. All right, good luck. Bye.